Back again with another video, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to convert any hexadecimal number into the decimal number. So this program is going to be based on the same concept that we have been using for the last two videos, and in this video I'll be showing you how to code for a program which converts hexadecimal to decimal. Let's get started, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to define a variable hexadecimal equals list. This is going to be our list, and input where where the user is going to enter the number. Enter the number, and this is it. And what I'm going to do next is define my same as we did before. I'm going to define my char. So this is going to be len. I'm going to define the len function for my variable hexadecimal, and then what I'm going to do next is total equals 0. So for I, I'm going to define a loop for variable I in range that is char or character. So, and the next thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to define the last element. The last element is going to be the same. For the sake of understanding, I'm writing last element, and which is going to be hexadecimal. I'm going to pop the last I'm going to pop the last number, whatever that happens to be. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it equal to x, last element. So for the sake of writing the code, it gets more cleaner that way. And the next thing, I'll be if I'm going to type if statement if x equals string value 1, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify my total as follows. So since this is going to be hexadecimal, what I'm going to do, instead of in the last video we used 8, so I'm going to use 16 over here, power raised to I, which is going to be defined in this, as you can see. And the next thing, what I'm going to do is multiply by 1, and there we go. And the next thing, I'm going to define else if statement if x equals small letter x equals 2, string value 2, then what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to increment my total as follows: 16 power raised to I, multiply it by 2, and this is what I'm going to get. And I don't want to write this code again. I'm just gonna copy and paste and explain why I did that. There we go. And so what I'm gonna do is as you guys can see, that if x equals 1, if a string value happens to be 1, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna increment my total as follows: 16 power raised to I into 1. And so on. Here I have used for 9. If the x value happens to be 9, then I'm going to multiply it by 9, and and if there is the value, a I've defined it for 10. Again, hexadecimal, we define A as 10, B as 11, C as 12, D as 13, E as 14, F as 15. And what I'm gonna do, I want whatever the user types in. For example, if he types capital A, then I want this small a, because Python is case sensitive language. So what I did is I just used this method lower this. Okay, what it does is whatever user types, be it small, big, it is always going to compare with this value. So whatever, if he or she types in capital A, it's going to give me small a. And that's why we have written this thing over here. And I'm going to end it in it the statement print f double formatted and your decimal number is curly braces true. Let's check it. It is showing me error. Let's see indent expand. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna this thing is hectic. It's not indent. Okay. This is how you guys check for errors. You just see where the error is, line by line, correct them, and I gotta go. Okay, this is going to be lit. Okay, hold on, guys. The code is going to be longer, but I bet my boots is going to be worth your time. Just hold on a sec. There's so much noise outside here, birds are chirping, and let's see if this program is working. And for example, if I type in, let me see, if I type in 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D, E, F, let's see what happens. So my decimal number is this. For example, if I want to type in F, for example, if I want to type F, it's gonna give me 15, okay? That's good. And for example, if I want to type in capital F, let's see what happens. So that's why we have written this over here. You guys probably know what it's gonna do. Okay, wait. I'm gonna type capital F, and it's gonna give me still the same. What happens if I remove this thing over here? Is it gonna understand the statement? Let's see. If I type in capital, your decimal number is 0. This is false, okay? So all we have to do is just give it back, okay, lower. There we go. Is all correct program. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E, F, whatever. Let's see what happens. This is our decimal number. I hope you guys like this video. And if you guys did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I'll catch you in the next one with another video in this playlist. And I hope to see you in the another video. Peace.